We back with another video. Girl, is this. And we is finna do NBA Youngboy reaction video to Slime Mentality. So you already know. Period. Okay. Jury popping. Still smoking the cigs, but you know. He slammed out. Okay. I want to show Willow.
I kind of want, but I just think I'm just gonna bust my stuff.
I feel like he shot me.
Boom, bow. I felt it. He was feeling. He said,
Okay.
I felt that.
Oh, she slammed.
Oh, wait.
Oh, he said meet you in the South, but he'll still come kick your front door. Okay, let him know.
NBA,
you
came out with some hot stuff. You came out and you said boom, bye.
Recorded, filmed, and dropped it all within the same day. That's some slime.
Boom, bye.
Boom, bow. Okay. Okay.
I was scared for him on the gate back there.
Oh, okay. Check out there. High five. They stepping on it, okay? Okay. I felt that. Don't care who around or who y'all call out of town. They ain't the ones to rep on.
Don't call them.
Don't call them, cause
they gonna send you a blink mission.
Cause who? Who's scared?
Don't.
Not him.
Don't you do it? Don't you do it?
Period.
Them look fun to ride, but I'll just stick on them.
Okay. Oh. Slime. He said they ain't on nothing. They don't want no problem with her. Okay? Stop playing with them.
Don't play.
Ain't nobody say.
No, already know. No PlayStation, no Xbox. Don't play.
No games with the man.
Don't play.
For sure.
For sure.
Period. What'd he say? Did y'all hear that? He banging green, but he leave out red.
I know there was teed on this video.
Real slam. I wish I was there. I would've. Ooh. They're stepping on it. They ain't the ones. You see his murder man dance?
She said,
Shout out Rich the Kid. He really messing with the kid. They got some more songs coming together. I'm waiting on it. You know the city, know they step on it. Whole lot of NBA. They ain't the ones.
Period.
Okay. I give that song a 10 out of 10. Period. I mean, if you can write, record, and drop at the same and all in the same day, you too, bro. You too slimy. So
period. Slimed out.
Favorite rapper, you already know, man. Since day one.
That's
just that on that.
That was so hot.
That was, yeah. Baby girl, I need that thing because I'm hot now. I liked it. You already know. I like the title of it, Slime Mentality. Like, he's slammy, and this is his mentality.
Pidge, you know I'm slammed out. You already know.
Whole lot of
call my.
You already know, man.
9 green lines. Man.
All right, let it slime, man. So you already know. But you already know
what you rated as?
I rated it as a 10 out of 10.
I rated it as 10 out of 10.
Period. I mean,
he did his stuff.
Nothing but the best.
He got out and he showed y'all like y'all.
He even had to do too much talking. He really ain't do no talking at all.
Matter of fact, he put in a song because
that's all. He don't got to do none of that social media, Instagram, Twitter, none of that. His music speak for itself. So you know, Big Slam always gonna be Big Slam for sure. Whole lot of stuff, man. Okay, trade nobody safe type stuff, man.
Right.
So, but yeah, y'all already know, man. I'm waiting on some more bangers from him. So, you know, he got my vote.
If he drop another video, we gonna drop more
reaction videos. You already know, but y'all know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe. Give us a thumbs up. You know, share. Get the word out. It's Destin Row. You know, and we be with all that.
And we out.
All that slime stuff, man.